In today's video, you will get to see how to set up US LLC as a non-resident. Whether you're looking to establish a brand presence, expand your business operation, or tap into the vast opportunities offered in the US market, forming an LLC is a crucial step. And I'll make it as simple as possible for you. So all you have to do is stick to this video till the end and you will go with your LLC. Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once you click the link, we will come to this website, and as we come down, you see here, it says form your free LLC now. So you also have an option where you don't have to pay anything. I'll show you that in a while. Here, entity type, you select LLC, and then state of formation, you can choose any state. I'll be showing today New Mexico. So here is New Mexico. So once you select, depending on the state, these package detail will change. For each state, there is a state fee. You see here, this remains constant, and the package what you take will depend on what services are you actually taking. So if I am outside, I always go with the platinum package so that I don't have to worry about a lot of paperwork and all other things. And as you can see here, you get an expedited filing. When you're starting your business, you want to be up and running as quickly as possible. And then once you come here down, you want your EIN business tax number, which is required for you to do any monetary transaction within US. And then you will also want to have a US business bank account where all your money is coming in and going out. It's easier for tax purpose and to have, the documents in place. Then any banking resolution you're looking for, you need a support because you'll be away. So all these things, help. And these are additional things which also help when you're setting up the business, which you get for free with this package. When I say free, of course, this package gets all this included. But what's more interesting is that you get a free registered agent service for a year. So by the time you're figuring out how things are working for you in the US, it's a good way to start. So I'm selecting the package platinum here because it's a 3 days filing time, and I'm paying a little extra, but it helps. So once you click here, now it's time for LLC name. So I'm sure you would have name figured out by now. If not, basically here in the LLC name, once you click here, the use of most specific character in the company name is not permitted. However, state does make an exception for characters such as commas, apostrophes, dashes, period, and ampersand. So you see what is accepted, what is not. I will keep it simple, and I'm calling my company Cypherphonic System, and designation you can pick from here anyone. LLC is the most common, so I'm keeping as it is. And then business purpose. So enter the business purpose. So I have entered the business purpose, a small introduction about business that helps, and then the industry. So mine is a consulting. So let me check. When I type consulting, just by typing consulting word, here I'm getting multiple options. So I will look at computer software consulting services and consultant. So I've chosen which is the closest one. In my case, you can do this little through the drop down and then click next. Now it's time to enter the first name, last name, email ID, and the phone number. So don't worry, whatever is being entered is not my actual credential. Here the mobile phone will be of the country where you belong to, and this will be used by them for any connect which has to be done and not for the official purpose. Okay, so remember that. Then you click next. Now you come to the company address information part, and here you will not have a physical presence in US, so you will need to have a virtual mail service, a business address. If you have, well and good. The PO boxes are not accepted, and any residential address which is provided will be listed publicly. So people prefer to have a professional outlook to the business. So when you select this, you get this address, and the suite number will be assigned after the order completion. So this is a monthly charge, what you see here, which you can cancel anytime. Now, as I said, when I'm starting with the business, I want lesser headache, and I would like somebody to handhold, and later on I can figure out how to reduce this, and having one single point of contact for everything makes sense when initially I am away. So enter the contact address. Here the contact address will be your country address. Once this entry is made, we'll come down and click next. Now here you'll have to select the member. Here in my case, it's only one person, that is the individual, and I am clicking here. When I click here, automatically this gets filled. Okay. In case this is not the case, then you'll have to manually enter the detail here. Then once we come down, we click next, and here for the registered agent, you get this 1 year full free, which is approximately $120 for a year. So after first year, this will have this value, which you'll have to pay from the second year onwards. It is free for the first year, and you can cancel anytime by changing your agent and then contacting them. So what is a registered agent? This person will receive and forward important legal and tax correspondence on your behalf, that is on behalf of the company. So once I'm selecting this, come down and then click next. Now for the EIN tax identification number, I am a foreign individual and do not have social security number. So select this for sure, because you'll have to fill a form called SS4, which is for the non-US citizen. And here you're declaring I am not a citizen of United States. I have never been issued social security number. Prepared SS4 application will be provided and will require my digital signature prior to being delivered to IRS. So you click I agree. Then checking this box, the name as it is gets filled. And here for the physical street address, this IRS requires the physical street address. So I'm going to keep it the one which I have taken as a service. And once that is done, click next. On this part, setting up of small business banking, just go through this, okay? Whether you want it or not, it's your choice. So I'm saying I'm interested. And then for the tax strategy free consultation, if you want to take a consultation, you can click yes. If not, just say I'm not interested this time. It's a free consultation. So if someone is interested, you can take that and then click next. Now for the business license and permit, again, in my case, I know what is required. So I'm selecting no. If you're not sure, you might consider this option where they might tell you what businesses license and permits are required, and then the getting those business license and permits done. So I'm selecting no thank you and clicking next. And this is the place where you will review your order, whatever has been entered, whether it is correct or not. You will go through, check, recheck, cross check whatever has been entered, whether it is correct or not. Any correction you need to make, you can edit now just by clicking here edit. And once you've gone through all the details here, click next, and it's time for you to pay for the service. So you can either go through PayPal or credit card. There are multiple options when it comes to credit card, and I'm choosing credit card. So once I click here, credit card, come down, enter the credit card detail and select the billing address. Here for the credit card, I'm choosing the home country because the credit card will have the address of home country, and you get the breakdown, that is the entire order summary, what is paid, what is not charged, what you get as a support, everything is mentioned here, and then the total what you have paid for your business. So once that is done, I agree and complete and pay. So once the payment is done, now your job is done, and you will wait for the company to inform you that your LLC is active. Once the LLC is active, you'll have to apply for EIN, for which I had shown SS4 form has to be filled. So once the LLC is formed, they will send the form to you, the SS4 form, which has to be filled. It's very simple. I have made a separate video on how to fill that form, and it's very basic detail. They will hold your hand to get this done. Along with that, if you have availed the banking service, they will help you with the banking service once EIN is available with you, and if not, you can look for any banking option from your end, and with the license and permits in places, your business is ready to start in US. So friends, I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to use the link so that you can avail the service discounts what's being shown, and thanks for watching.